front of me is Motorola Moto G60, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If it's not visible, select this gear. Click on voice typing and use gray switcher to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on no visible microphone. Lastly, start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!